Alright guys, today I'm going to be playing what's I supposed to play again? Oh. Today where's two access microphone, okay, why? I'm so short. Oh, they got the katana? Oh my god, I could kill some. Yeah! Yeah! What? Oh, they got knives? Oh my god. Yeah! Why you die? You want? I'm gonna grab the sausage. You better cry. Wait, this is moldy. My god, I hit a gem. Yo, what's this? You want again? Ah, I get it. There. I hope you like sausages. Now I'm getting hit off, so you can't blame me for that. Oh, press. Oh, the pizza. Oh yeah, I know about that. Go put it in. Oh my god. In the meantime, we got some pineapple. Man, will you just wait? Ungrateful. Also, what type of sauce do you need, bro? Alright, take it out. Take that. Take this. Take here. Alright, you want cheese? I got you. You want some cheese? I got you. Alright, some cheese, some pineapple. She's Oh, I got the mold. Yeah, you never. What the heck? But I do not have a beer. What do you mean? Ma'am, if you're impatient, just leave. Alright, take it out. Take this shit out. I get the juice. Whatever the sauce you want. Pour it in. He likes that. Come on, the sausage. Oh, I forgot about that. Give me the pizza. Oh my god, I'm so done for. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to wait. Now, take your pizza.
Awful.
Hey! Hey! What the heck? Ow! She is not a woman, bro. I see this guy. Oh shit, killed him. Oh, that did not hurt, buddy. Watch, it's not even gonna hurt.
Ouch!
How does that hurt? I'll eat fish on that. They got basketball hoop, cockroach, rat, mushroom.
Hey!
I don't get paid enough. I don't know what you want me to do though. I got you. Whoa, this is wrong. Alright, get the katana. Actually, I take back what I said. The axe. Take this. Take that. Oh my god! That took me hours, sir. You gonna make fun of me? Cut. Alright. Put it in. Put it in. God damn. This looks so fire. In the meantime, gonna add some shake shack. Whatever the mix you want. I put it in. Olive. Sir, I'm sorry. That was my cousin. You better wait, or else I'm gonna rob you. Next 3 seconds. It's all Mo, by the way, so you're not gonna survive, of course. Dude. Ah! Okay, sir, that's all you want. Cheese. Exactly what you want. What the?
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Why is there a feet in that? Goddamn! We want. Okay, red sauce. I'm pretty sure that's tomato. Yeah. In. Okay, get this. What do you call this? Don't need that. What do you want? A sausage? I got you. I hate this. Pineapple does not belong on pizza. You're a weirdo if you do. I forgot about the katana. Yeah. Best food of all time. Call me the best food, man. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. So you want some pizza? I got you. It's gonna